Hello and welcome to Thursday Thoughts. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite things about the Wolf Steam Oven. How many times do you have 2, 3, 4 favorite meals that you like to cook the same way every time? Well, with the Wolf Steam Oven, you have 24 favorites that are not only easy to program, but once programmed, makes the use of the Wolf Steam Oven that much easier. So first of all, whenever you hit the oven, it will actually wake up and start in quick start. So for this instance, what I'm gonna program is how I like to cook fish, because I like to do fish on pure steam. So I would select enter, okay? And then it would say use rack position 1 or 2. I'd hit enter. It's gonna come to the screen. I actually like to cook my fish at a little bit lower of a temperature because I don't like it to cook as fast, so I'll set that at 200. Okay, and I want it to cook for 19 minutes. So I'll go here and it starts at 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go up to 19 minutes and hit enter. Okay, and from here I'm gonna hit favorites, and it's going to take everything I just programmed, and I'm gonna be able to do that first setting. So I'm gonna do the first setting, and I'm gonna scroll over. I'm just gonna simply put in fish. Now, if you wanted to call it salmon or something else, you definitely can do that. But for this demonstration, I just want to show it real quick. So you would go over and got one more letter with the H here. Okay, and then you go back to the beginning and hit the check mark and hit enter. And it's going to say, do you want to run that favorite right now? And I'm going to say, no, I don't want to run the favorite right now. And as you can see in favorites, it's right here, number 1, fish. So if I turn the machine off, and then again, you go to wake it up with any button. So I select any button, it's gonna go to quick start. But now I go quick start, I simply select the favorites button right here, and it brings this up. It automatically brings up number 1. So all I have to do is hit enter, and then scroll over and start. And that's all I have to do then from then on to cook fish my favorite way. Thank you for watching Thursday Thoughts. Hope that helps.